Stand up. Stretch your arms. Stretch your arms. Quick. Up. As I say up, you have to raise your hands. Up. Up. Down. Bend down. Down. Sit. Sit. No, on the chair. On the chair. Sit on the chair. On the chair. Not on the floor. Sit on the chair. Not on the floor. Yes. Those who are sitting on the stairs. Yes. Good. Right. Stretch your arms like this. Stretch your arms. Up. Up. Down. Down. Up. Down. Be quick. As now whatever I will say, you have to follow that and you have to be quick. Switch on your videos so that I can see you all. Switch on your videos. I want to see you all. Quick. Everyone. Those videos are on Let It Be. I want to see who is doing what. Okay. Switch on your videos. Okay. Stand up. Stand up. Stand. Abhineet, you are sitting. I want to see you stand. Stand. Right arm up. 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 Not right leg. Riddhi Agarwal, not legs. I'm not asking for legs. I'm asking for your right arm. Yes, good. Right. Right down. Left up. Right down. Left up. Both up. Both up. Stand here. Stand like this for 45 minutes. Stand like this for Bhavya, you are not standing. Bhavya, this is cheating. You're not standing and not doing. Yes. And Yuvraj Singh also not doing. Yes. Up. Down. Both hands down. Left up. Left leg up. Left leg up. Left leg up. Those who will cheat, they will be out. Left leg up. Devansh, you are not doing. Devansh, are you sitting idle, beta? Stand up, stand up. Devansh, this is cheating. Devansh Verma, this is cheating. Stand up. Do it. Yes, good. Vedanshu, yes, now I can see. Very good. Now let's start. Sit down, all of you, properly. Shall I make you stand for next 40 minutes? Shall I make you stand for 40 minutes? Yes or no? Yes for this and no for this. Yes or no? No. Okay. It's okay. Chalo. No. Yes. Those who are saying nod your head fast, quick. Yes. Yes. You want to stand for 40 minutes? No. Okay. Then sit down, all of you. Let's get back to the studies now. Okay. Oh, your right leg is powerful, Rishika. So where you stand up on your right leg only. Stand up and keep standing on your right leg. Keep standing on your right leg. On one leg. Right leg should be down and left leg should be up. Is it okay? Will you study like this during the whole period? Will you be able to study like this? Yes or no? No. But your right leg is powerful. Okay, next time whenever we say yes, you have to say yes. You say yes like this and no like this. If I'm asking something to anyone, yes or no. And if you want to speak something, then what you will suppose I'm talking to you. And if I ask you to speak something, if I say Aradhya, say something. If I ask her, so Aradhya, yes like this, she will do. No like this. And if you want to speak, I'm speaking to you. Want to speak, you will use like this. This symbol you will use. Okay, that you want to speak. Okay, Manas, sit down. वरना मम्मी डांटेंगी कल की तरह. Okay, you want to say something? Yes, speak. Abhi I'm giving wait. Yes, speak. Speak.
Ma'am, my teeth.
What? Who ate your teeth? Who ate your teeth? Who ate your teeth?
I know.
You don't know who ate your teeth. Chalo, stop. Let's start the work now. Okay? I'm going to unmute all of you. Okay? So, I don't want unnecessary mics to be on. Once you speak the answer, switch it off. Okay? So, you all are going to tell me the answers of this. Okay. Wait. Now it's okay. Tell me, what is 18 eights?
144.
What I'm hearing, I'm writing that only. Whatever I'm hearing, I'm writing that only. Whatever you are saying, I'm writing here. Am I correct? Just wait.
144. 144. Ma'am,
Anna, put your hand down. Yes. Sorry.
Ma'am, I want to say something.
Yes. Name.
Ma'am, everybody is saying, and then, ma'am, your video has gone.
Wait now, it will come now. It will come. I have spotlight myself. Now it will come on my.
Excuse me.
हाँ बेटा. Yes,
Ma'am,
Sachin.
I know this answer fifth.
Rishika, 1. How can 1 be the possible answer of 144? Tell me. Tell me, what is 219, sir? What is 219, sir? This is very good. Everyone is speaking only one answer. That is 38. 108. Who is saying 108? It is not possible. No.
38.
Yes, beta. 38 is the correct answer. This one is correct. Okay.
Your voice is not coming.
My voice is coming. I know. It is audible to all of you.
Yes,
What is 18 sixes?
108.
Very well done. Very good. Acha, 30 plus 8 plus 38. Very good, Rishika. Very well done. This is, I don't know which type of calculation is it. Okay. 13 sevens, 3 17s. What is 3 17s? 1. Minna, say something. You want to say something, Minna? You were raising your hand? No. Okay. 290, 12 nines.
100. Your voice is not coming clearly.
Better than you just see my on the board. See on the board. Now stop.
9 are 144.
And listen. Stop means mic off.
108.
Stop means mic off.
Yeah.
Stop. That means everyone's mic be off. Abhineet, mic off. Most of you are forgetting to keep your mics off. Okay. What is 9 16s?
144.
Am I correct?
144.
Am I correct?
No, ma'am.
Am I correct?
144. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. 144.
Now am I correct? Now am I correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is 314? Or you can say
45.
45 also.
45. 42.
Check your answers yourself. Check your answers yourself, everyone.
Ma'am, all are correct.
Ma'am, all are correct.
Very well done, all of you. Very well done.
Ma'am, my all are correct.
If anybody's, stop it.
Ma'am,
Stop.
Ma'am,
Stop.
all
Riddhi Agarwal, stop. Mitansh,
Ma'am, your
switch off your mic.
voice
Mitansh,
Okay, ma'am.
mic off. Okay, stop. See, if your answers are correct, very well done, all of you. If your answers are not correct, just check them once. The board is visible to all. Check them once quickly.
Ma'am, all are correct.
Check your answers quickly.
And my one was incorrect.
Beta, I think
Ma'am, my all are correct. Ma'am, my all are correct.
Rishika, back of your teeth hurt. Go and brush your teeth. Okay? And don't after the class. Not now, after the class.
Ma'am, I have checked the answer. My all are correct.
Sure, beta, no need to send the answers. Sure, Tyagi is not there. Please don't send the answers now. Okay? Now, if they are correct, well and good. If they are wrong, just change it and do it correctly. And next time, be careful. Okay? So, I'm going to rub
Ma'am,
this.
my all are correct.
Shall I rub this?
Ma'am, my all correct.
Very well done. Now switch off. Stop. Stop.
Yes,
Stop.
can.
Stop. Shall I rub this?
Yes, ma'am.
Nod your head.
Yes,
nod your
ma'am.
head.
Yes,
You have to
ma'am.
nod your head. I told you. This is
Yes,
what you
ma'am.
Yes. No. Shall I rub this? Okay, I'm going to rub this. I don't think so. Somebody is whether let me see. Is somebody saying no? Somebody is saying no? Nobody is saying no. Okay. Now I'm going to rub it. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to do the question number C. So one multiplication trick I told you in the previous class. Now you are going to tell me the answers. Okay, suppose question is 24 2 sorry 2 5 sir. What will be 24 5 sir? No calculation, no calculation. Okshit, no calculation बच्चे.
120.
Very good.
120.
Without calculating, you have to tell.
Ma'am, 120 is answer.
120.
120.
Ma'am, 120.
See, why? Because
Ma'am,
half of 20 is
120.
Ma'am, we have to write this in fair notebook.
No, not now. I'm just asking. 24, half of 24 is what? Half of 24 is what? 12.
12.
And you have to put 1 0 in the end. And you have to put 1 0 in the end. That's it. This is the question.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can you explain again?
Beta,
Ma'am, I don't understand this.
first, I'm going to mute all of you. Nobody will speak, first of all.
Ma'am, I don't understand.
I'm teaching, beta, I'm teaching. If you don't understand, I'm teaching. See, 30, suppose there is 14 5s are. Okay. If you can see 14, half of 14 is what? 7. 7 and put 1 0 yourself in the end. This is the trick. Take the half of that number. Suppose you have to say 8 5s are.
Ma'am, we
What
will
is
do
half
in
of
book.
it? Half of it? No, nothing.
4.
4. Half of it is 4. Very good. And you have to put 1 0 in the that's it.
4.
40.
Okay. Chalo, now we will start question number C. Write in notebook, new page. Maths notebook.
Exercise 5.3. And exercise 5. Ma'am, exercise 5.5.
Ma'am, we have to write on same page. Ma'am, we have to write on same page.
Beta, what it is written here? What is written here? Wait, let me spotlight my video for all of you so that you can see. Now.
Ma'am, new page.
Abhineet Singh was asking something.
Who? Abhineet Singh asked, beta.
Ma'am, in book this exercise is written 5.6.
No. 5.5, page number 71. I'm telling you, writing the page number also. Note down these things carefully. It's written over here. Whatever your queries are, they are given in that column.
Ma'am, I note down. Ma'am, can you get a side because I cannot see.
What you cannot do, beta?
Ma'am, I cannot see.
You cannot see why, beta? My video is spotlighting everyone's. I have spotlighted my video. Write this down. Multiply the following after arranging in columns. Write this first.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, I have done. I'm done.
Ma'am,
Beta, wait. I am just going to
Ma'am, I
mute
have
you all.
write it.
ma'am, what it is right after multiply the following
After arranging. I am going to
Arranging
speak. Just wait for some minute. Abhi, wait, beta. Let me take the attendance, then I will do. Fine. See, again, I'm going to tell you. Just listen. This is your maths copy. Just wait, beta. This is your maths notebook. Okay. Here margin is given. So you will divide your page like this. This is the margin. Turn the page like this above the margin and do like this. Do not fold it like tightly. Like small you can do. You will get a line over here. You can put the scale on it and draw this line. Okay. This is the way to draw the line. So draw the line on your in your maths notebooks. Write question 1 here and question 2 that side. Okay, so I'm going to write it. What is question 1?
Ma'am,
Beta.
I have to ask.
ma'am, like this.
Yes, ask. I'm listening. Yes,
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have to ask.
like this.
Rishabh, don't speak in between when somebody is asking the question. These are basic manners. Yes.
Ma'am, like this. Ma'am, like this.
Don't show, beta. I'm not able to see you all. If you will show me like this, I will not be able to show you my screen. You will not be able to see my screen then.
Ma'am, I am Panchul Mishra. I want to say something.
Yes, Panchul, ask.
Ma'am, what is the half of 19? It is no number half of 19.
Leave it. That I will tell you afterwards, not now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, half of 19 odd numbers. That trick I told you, that is of even numbers. For odd numbers, I will tell you afterwards. First, try this.
Ma'am, just
You have to do first question I'm doing. Do it like this. Do it like this. 19 fives are like this. You have to do the multiplication.
Ma'am, done.
9 5 9s are 45. 4 will be carried over here. 5 1s are 5 plus 4 9. Then you have to check is 19 5s are 45 95 or not. Yes or no. Just wait. I think you are not able to see me only. Now. Yes. 19 5s are 95. You just multiply it and get your answer. If it is say yes. Okay. Now, second question is you have to do it yourself.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, excuse.
Excuse me,
Excuse.
ma'am.
Beta, I have drawn this line so dirty. Draw the lines with a scale. Yes, excuse, Beta. Speak.
Ma'am, there are 95 right sides.
What?
Ma'am, there are 95 right side is what written?
19 fives, this?
No, ma'am, 95 of right side. There is written?
Yes. Why? Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
I am right also.
Okay, let me read some of the charts given over here. Draw
Ma'am.
12, 120. Okay.
Ma'am, please wait.
Okay, second question you have to do yourself. Even the third one you have to do yourself.
Ma'am, Rishabh Kumar, I have to ask something.
Yes, Rishabh, speak.
Ma'am, we have to draw a margin. I can draw with my notebook. This notebook.
Why to draw the margin? Margin is
No,
not
ma'am.
needed.
Ma'am,
Line, yes, you have to draw that line with a scale.
notebook is. Can I draw with my notebook?
No, no. Scale. Because this is maths class, very important. It is compulsory for all of you to be with your scale. Use a scale. Everyone, whenever there is maths period, you have to be there with your scales. And it is compulsory in maths to have your scales.
Ma'am, done.
Very good. Just wait.
Ma'am, done.
Good. Do the multiplication, okay? As you solve multiplication question, you have to do it in the same way.
Ma'am, there are only four. There are
Yes,
only
there are only
sums.
four. Yes, four sums.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you are not. You have closed the video.
Just let me see. Yes, I have closed the window because I'm looking at who are doing what. Just wait. Note down the question first so that I can see what others are doing. Just note down the question first. Questions you note down. I want to see all of you what all of you are doing. Note down all the questions quickly. 2 will be carried over here. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. Plus 2.
10.
And there will be
Okay.
104.
Then what you have to do, you have to write yes. Why you will write yes? Because 104 it is coming. 13 8 is 104 or not. First you will check in the table. Yes, 13 8 is 104. So you will write yes here. Okay. 17
Yes, ma'am.
7s are. 7 7s are.
49.
49.
4 will be carried over there. 7 ones are 7 plus 4. 7 ones are 7 plus 4.
11.
See, 17 7s are 119 or not? Yes or no?
119.
Yes, it is. So just write yes here.
And now there will be 119.
Very good.
also.
No, better.
I
Thumbs up. Don't say my all answers are correct. Thumbs up. Very good. Check your answers once. If they are correct, well and good. If they are not correct, then do it again. Okay, let me check. Whose answers are correct? Yes. Up. Thumbs up. Very good. If your answers are wrong, then do it again. Very good. Alankrita still doing? Alankrita is still doing?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Do it, Kapra.
Excuse
Do it, do it. हाँ बेटा, Bhavya.
ma'am. I am saying that in fourth, there is you have written 119 or 114.
Beta, 19, it's 9. 19. 7 7 is
Excuse me,
49.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
I'm really
Manas. Manas or Kanav? Who is saying something? Manas or Kanav?
Ma'am, I'm Manas.
Yes,
Ma'am, I'm
Manas.
Manas.
Yes, Manas.
Ma'am, what is the answer of third one?
Third one,
Ma'am, I have
104.
done.
Okay, I'm showing it to you all. I'm showing it to you all. Just see. I'm going to show.
Ma'am, I'm really tired.
Is it visible? Is it visible for
Yes.
all?
Ma'am, all are correct.
Very good.
Ma'am, but mine is
Yes, ma'am.
already visible.
Check your
Excuse me,
answers.
ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, beta.
ma'am, the other third one is with number
Ma'am,
four.
my answers all correct.
Very good.
Ma'am, it is compulsory to write yes.
Yes, because the question is given, check if the answer is same in multiplication chart. If you see page number 71, question number C is given to you on the top. It is given multiply the following after. I'm just going to mute you all because I am going to teach you something. So I'm going to mute you all.
Ma'am, in third one, what is the borrow number?
Third one, the bottom number is 2. Try it yourself, beta. 2. 8 3 is 24. 2 will be the carried over there. Okay, what I'm going to teach this, tell you. See, page number 71, question number C. Why I'm writing yes here? The reason for writing yes here. On page number 71, question number C, multiply the following after arranging columns. Okay, so if we have done, we have multiply the following by arranging in columns. These are columns. Okay, the way we have done this, these are columns. Then check if the answer is same as in the multiplication chart. Then you have to check answer is same or not.